Yo, what's up guys, welcome to the next video. We have some serious issues, but I will tell you in a second. But look at this. I had some free time lately. So here's the thing, it's about -10 degrees Celsius outside, and actually it was snowing in the morning. I have pretty much no heating in my car right now. So for now I'm driving like in heavy jacket, hat and
I love this beat.
and to be honest, I'm fighting with this heating for pretty much half the time I own the car. So I've changed the thermostat, I've changed the coolant liquid, I was searching for some other reasons like the air vents control, and I was how do you say odpowietrzyć? And I tried to bleed the cooling system many times, and I read online that it probably caused by the heater valve. And obviously I'm so lucky that I have this, because if I had 1 year younger Astra, I wouldn't have that problem at all, because Opel just gave up this idea of this whole valve, because this valve was known to fail. First we need to get our way to the heater. I think only from the inside of the car can achieve this, and we need to get rid of the whole front middle panel. I need to have heating in the winter. It's not even winter and it's getting 0 degrees Celsius outside. So to make it a little bit less pain in the ass, I have this electric heater. So this is how's the weather looking. Great time to work on car without heating. Hopefully this will save us. So first I need to drain all the coolant. So I'm gonna get some box or a bucket and drain all of this. Okay, so here's pretty much all of the coolant. The rest is dripping. Some drops are still going, but now we are going into the car. The heater is going pretty well. It's pretty warm in the car right now, so I'm surprised. But you need to forgive me, I'm not going to record the process of getting rid of this whole panel and plastics, because I found a tutorial on how to get access to the heater, and the tutorial itself is 1 hour long. And of course, the tutorial on taking off all the plastics is good, took everything off, but some small things are different in my car. And one of them is this valve mounting, because it's different than the one I saw in the tutorial. So I'm gonna need to figure this out. Okay, it's pretty dark, but I took out the heater. I'm gonna take this home and look more closely how it looks inside, and I don't want to lose these seals. Here is this valve that I want to get out, but the access to this area, like, see how big my hand is, and how am I supposed to get, I can't even get one finger there to do something, and how I'm supposed to take this out. I don't understand. It's really cold, so I'm gonna somehow take out the valve, and then I will take all this home and continue my work tomorrow. So see you guys when something happens. Here is our heater. To be honest, it doesn't look too bad. It's pretty clean on the inside. And here is the thing that is the problem. can pretty much turn and open and close this valve by hand, so I think the problem is with the motor itself. My plan is to put this back on and disconnect the motor from turning the gear right here. So I thought maybe I will just like remove this axle and put it back together. This is the way to go for now, because I'm not happy to pay 100 PLN for some plastic tubes. And also, while it's still pretty bright outside, let me show you how this looks. So this is how it looks inside. This whole middle panel is right there in the car. Here is the bottom cover for the heater. I suggest you to have some material or paper or something, because there still will be some coolant in the heater when you are taking it out. And if you have Astra with AC, you can forget about this piece, because this is on the outside of the interior under the car. It has two long screws, and those screws are going through the wall and inside to the car, and they are directly holding onto the heater cover. If you don't unscrew this, you will not get out the cover and the heater inside, and I will show you where this is. Okay, so I'm under the car, as you can see in the front. Here's my beautiful wet oil pan, and if you go behind it, you can see this thing, and this is where the pipe goes, and the two screws. Alright, so here I am. As you can see behind me, it's already dark again. To be honest, if something like this happens again, I'm telling you, I'm going straight to the junkyard with this car and I will pay them to take this. But anyways, I'm filtering the coolant because the previous container wasn't completely clean, and now I'm gonna put the coolant in the car, and then we will need to bleed the whole cooling system, and hopefully it will start to blow hot air again. And it works, so I'm super happy. The car isn't even fully heated, but it already blows warm air, so I'm super happy. I can't wait to test it like on the full power. First I need to put back on all the plastics, but yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm super happy that I managed to fix this, because the car would be basically undrivable in the winter without heating. So yes, that's all. See you guys in the next video.